Guys, we're back inside the cab on this little tractor. That power cutoff switch was turned off, so I did turn it back on. So now we should have power to the tractor. I'm going to shut the fan off. The hour meter shows 784. And I'm confident that is 10,784 hours. Again, we've got the joystick for the loader. 4 ranges with a 4-speed. I believe it's a 4-speed power shift. I will verify that here when we start it. 3-point control, 2 remotes. You can see your heat and your air controls over here. Got us a radio. Not sure I'm smart enough to get the radio to work, or if the radio does work. Again, the glass in the tractor is good everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. And I apologize for the glare in this, guys. I'm trying to keep it where the glare is to a minimum. We're right before sundown trying to get this little tractor listed, so I'm trying to do the best job I can for you to get the best pictures and videos. So I'm gonna run the joystick here on the loader so you guys can see that. There, they had a keeper pin that just fell off on the hood of the tractor right there, so I'll have to see what. Oh, I bet you that's for the side curtain on that tractor, maybe. So I'll get that. Sorry, I'm running the loader and not even getting the video of it. Guys, the hydraulics on that loader run pretty smooth. I don't see or feel a lot of play in the hydraulics on that loader, so that's good. Again, you can see the fuel gauge works. Sorry about the glare there, guys. Trying to do my best. And I'll see, I wonder. Okay, so it looks like our transmission, our power shift, there's first, second, third, fourth. So there are indeed 4 ranges in each range. Excuse me, 4 gears in each range. We do have the forward and left-hand reverser. So I'm going to move this tractor around a little bit so you guys can see it in action here. Try to do the best I can. I'm going to start out, we'll go in the B range. I'm going to put it down in first gear. So we're going to start in B1. Okay. There we go. And I always like to kind of give you guys a little feel for the power steering. So a little tractor, feels like it steers pretty good, guys. I don't feel a lot of play in the steering on the tractor. Feels like it's pretty solid. So I'm going to touch the brakes here and see if it swings the tractor over a little bit. There's the right brake. Oh, we got them locked together. Sorry about that. Let me get the brakes unlocked, guys. Okay, that's got them now. So let me put it in reverse here. I'm going to back up. Okay, now this is the right brake. I'm going to push right here. See that, how it pulls it over there, guys? Right brake's pretty strong. Same with the left brake. Hope you guys can see that. So brakes are good, guys. Brakes are strong on this tractor. So we've got it in B1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. Okay. So we'll go back in forward gear here. Start out in B4. 3. Transmission feels good, guys. I don't feel any slop in it or any kind of play or anything like that. Okay. So I'm going to put it in park here real quick. I don't think thing I like that I had it in gear. There's a cotter pin up here on the cab that I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna put it in park. I'm gonna get my outside camera going, and we're gonna take a video of this from the outside so you guys can hear the motor and see it run.